Keep on watching to see how to achieve these nails. Links are going to be provided below to recreate. Enjoy! All right, you guys, hello. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I got my nails like this. It's super duper simple. All of the links are down below to shop everything on Amazon, so it's going to be real easy to purchase all in one place that we trust. So yeah, check out this video. Keep on watching to see how to get your nails on point, all right? Check out that link down below to follow me on Amazon Live and see all of my other nail streams and so much more on there, all right? All right, you guys, what's good? So we're going to get straight into this nail tutorial. As you can tell, I already have my nails on for the most part. So that is the easy part. I wanted to just do all of them so you already could just get straight into it. So you want to start out with some nails. I'll have all of the links below, so it's really easy to redo this, but I'm using long, better than salon acrylic by Kiss, and you glue them on and they work really well because they look just like acrylic because they're thick and everything. You're gonna see the final results. They're bomb. For my last set lasted me for like 3 weeks. Okay, so yeah, you're set. So you want to start by drying out your nails with acetone, which I already did to all my nails. All right, I'm gonna have all the tools you need below, and to wipe the acetone I use these cotton pads all over my nails. Super simple, you guys. So take your nail and you're just going to push back your cuticle. You're gonna see your cuticle just peeling up. It's a fun process. You can really get in there with this. Then you're gonna take your cuticle clippers and clip off the cuticle. This is like key to making it look like you have a fresh set from the nail salon. They always cut your cuticles. This is not a step to skip. So sometimes when I'm doing my nails, I will cut the sides, but with the style that I got today, I'm just gonna like make sure I get all the cuticles off and stuff with the cotton pad. It really comes in handy. With the style that I got today, they're long and they're already like angled that I like. All I'm gonna have to do is shape them up, but sometimes I have to cut off the side when I'm using the medium length, which are here, which will also be available below. These are square shaped. They also have long square ones, all linked below. And then here are the long ones that are acrylic. And like the square ones, which look really cute, you guys, they are literally better than salon acrylics because they don't chip. So you're just going to cut off your nail, okay? Because I don't like to have long nails underneath, because if it does pop off, it's not going to hurt, okay? We don't want to break our nails. It's just best to have short nails underneath these types of acrylic. So from there, I'm taking my nail glue and just putting it on all over. I like to leave a little outline just because sometimes the glue like comes off the sides, but it's okay if you get on your skin like I clearly just did. Just make sure that you put the nail as close to the cuticle as possible. And press, 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 press. The key is to really press, okay? And get it placed on there right. Look at that. And you can leave them like this, of course. Some people do. So I feel like the easy part is getting the nails glued, and then the hard part is like the gel process, shaping them and things like that. So your nails cannot be complete without shaping them up. So I always keep some files on hand. Okay, I have fresh ones as well. Okay, and I'm going to just start by taking off some of the top. So there are numbers underneath these nails, so you can easily match them right behind the back here, and just find the match for each one so they're perfect on both sides. But I'm first just starting out by shaping off the top because they have this little like point here, but you can't really see it. But I'm just straightening it out so it can be a perfect shape at the top. No little things poking out because they're, you know, glue-ons. Be sure to subscribe for more nail content, and DIY content in general. So once you shave off the top, they look really fresh. We're going to go in and shape up the sides. So what you want to do is kind of shape your nail underneath to this faux nail. So you're going to go at an angle on the side and really reach your nail underneath to just get it shaped to the angle of this nail. That is a key. You'll notice when you go to the salon, they do that all the time. So just follow the visual. And these ones are already angled like I like, so I really don't have to do much. I'm going to go in and just shape it to my nail though a little bit, but not much really needs to be done here. The step that I also did put on all my nails is the Pro Bond Acid-Free Nail Primer first, before, like after the acetone, I did put these on as well so that it can lay right. So you put on the acetone, buff it so it can go onto your nail properly, which I also forgot to do, but it's okay. Okay, this is the process, you guys. You put the acetone on, then you buff it. You're going to use the nail primer, put on 2 layers of that. Then you take your nail glue and you glue on your nail, and that is how I put that on. So the easy part is like gluing on the nails, really. What we want to do is put on the gel and shape them to our nails. I'm also going to link below some Amazon live streams where I did my nails too, so you guys can get an hour of like really in-depth of the process. And then if any of your nails pop off, it's just always keep your glue on hand is the key with the glue-ons. They really last. Don't sleep on the glue-ons. You just got to make sure you prep them and prime them correctly with those steps. But I think we all can glue on nails. It's up to you if you want to do the extra steps with like drying it out with the acetone first so they can just last longer when they stick on, and using the Pro Bond to glue it on just to dry it out more and just prep them even more. It's totally up to you, but these are extra steps to take and I'll have them linked below. So now what I'm going to do is getting into the fun part. So this is the gel-ish foundation, and then this is to top it off. So obviously it is how it is. You have to first go in with that foundation coat, which is going to be that first layer. And then I'm using the D&D gel today. I'm taking all of these products. I want you guys to really be able to see that. Here is my gel machine. It was not a lot. I got it on Amazon, everything. You're going to get 2, which I like about it. You're going to get 1 for gel, which is the soak off gel here. And then you're going to get 1 regular polish. So if you need 1 for your toes, but some people do put gel on their toes too, but I put regular polish on my toes, you got 1. So even if you don't do the gel, you can always use, you know, the regular polish. But we're using gel. Okay, and then we're also going to go in, with our gel, like gems and everything, which you're going to need a UV light. So we're going to take the foundation. This is the foundation, which is obviously super important so it can stick to the acrylic. I'll also put a little bit at the top just so it's polished correctly. You know how at the top of your acrylic you always get that little chunkiness? You might notice sometimes your nail tech will just paint like that. You're going to want to do that. Take notes for situations. And I'm just going to leave mine in there for a minute. All right, so then I'm going to take this, put it in there for 60 seconds. You just click the 60 seconds at the top. It's real easy. And then we're going to put 2 layers of the gel. I'm going to have it linked below the color I'm using because it's that slimy, like real cute color. And the gelish top it off is like the shiniest gel ever. And you guys know gel literally looks shiny for the longest. That's what I love. Okay, look at that. Gel is amazing just with the base. And just have patience, you guys. They already look so much better though. The shine is everything, so that's why I really like gel. Ooh, yeah, boy. Ah! All right. And then I'm going to add some to here. These look exactly like my nails this one time. And I had went to LA when I had my nails done like this. And they loved them so much. Like, even the male flight attendant was like, those are nice nails. And like, he was just being so serious because he was just like, dang, that's some nice nails. Like, for real. Like, not even trying to get at you, though. That's just some nice nails, though. And they was trendy and stuff. So get yours. Get yours. We got regular polish and gel in there. You just got to wipe the sides and stuff. Got to make sure. Okay, so from blah to blah. Okay? From blah to blah. So let me record this. I'm actually in the middle of doing TikToks as well. So follow me on TikTok. I'm doing a TikTok of my nails. You gotta do this like 3 times. Now I get why they just don't stop. You know how when they're painting your nails, they just keep your nails under the UV light for the longest sometimes? That's just what I'm doing. I just kept it in there for a long time. I probably didn't even need to. So yeah, it works, you guys. Just keep it under there for like, I put mine in there for like probably 2 minutes. Just rub off what you don't want. It's really that easy, y'all. And I have like multiple over here. And that's just like, why? Why would I do another one? Imagine it with the other one, though. That's what they're saying. But I'm about to bling them out, so they're going to just be on 10. So now let's see. It's dry. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. It's so crazy. All right, so that is after 1 coat. You obviously need to put on that second coat. All right, second coat. So you just open it up. The wax pen really helps to pick it up and slide them into the place that you want. So yeah, let's zoom in. Oh gosh, I'm like dropping stuff because I'm hitting things. So anyway, and put the gems all along the bottom basically. So it's very easy. I'm going to start out with this ring one. You take the glue. And when you go on with the clear coat, it will cover up any like mistakes that you make or whatever. But it's really sticky, so. And place it. The glue isn't going to dry on you or anything. I also flip it around the side to help place it. And you know it's the ring finger. So you know the ring finger got to have that bling to it. And that really just spices it up. I really like how that looks a lot. It seriously works. And that top coat is going to make a big difference. So, but top coat is after I put on all the gems. So I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other hand. Now I get why my nail techs be like, oh yeah, don't be coming over here asking for no gems. We are a regular nail salon because they get a lot of clientele just doing the regular nails. This takes a lot of added time. I mean, this is not a joke out here. They don't want you out here talking about, can I get 10 billion gems on here? That's just, they got their clients. They don't got time for that. But now I'm going to add some more glue right here. Twins. Okay, twins. So yeah, I'm going to put this in there for 60 seconds. And while my nails are doing that, I'm shutting up the glue. It's rhinestone glue. It's major. This is gelish Top It Off to top off what we just did and add that shine, which is undeniable. Undeniable. So let's go ahead and do that. You cannot go without the top coat, but you want to do this after you put on the rhinestones. How do you guys like my nails though? It looks good to me. What I'm gonna do is take my cuticle oil and I just take a dot, put it on the cuticle, and just rub it in. Y'all know how that goes. And this is how you get that, you know, salon look, because you know how they always put on the cuticle oil. It really smells good and moisturizing. Available on Amazon. Here are my final nails, you guys. I did decide to add extra gems so you can have fun with your nails. And I also decided to trim them down and shape them up more to my preferred shape. But that is how you do your own DIY nails at home. How easy is that? Let me know how cute these are in the comments and if you like the design, but I'm loving it. You guys can definitely get yours at home. I'll have all the links below to shop. Really, really hope that you've enjoyed.